Alright, just checking out who actually shoveled their driveway. His kids did that, my neighbors. He did a single. Of course, if you watched my earlier short video, we did ours. I was gonna bring the, oh man, they did really good on theirs. Bye. This is perfect. They must have put salt down. Oh, they did theirs. They definitely put salt down. So I really was like all gung-ho today, like, oh, we're gonna shovel the driveway and then we're gonna walk around with our snowshoes. And let me tell you, it's 7 degrees out. That is not the same as 20 degrees. It is no fun. It is too cold. They did a little on theirs. What is this? And then, of course, they never do anything, so they ain't going anywhere. And they left 3 of their vehicles on the road, so let's go see how they get stuck by the snowplow. They do send us, they do send like notices to everyone. Don't park on the street, but this house has like 10 cars, so they have no choice. But yeah, look at that. They ain't going anywhere. Tomorrow, we're gonna go to the post office. So it looks like they did shovel the pool area. Anyway, I'm not doing the whole loop. It's just too cold. So I just want to go see if we can see how frozen the lake is and if the geese have done anything. Did they shovel it? I mean, I guess they did a little, but not a second round, because that's like, oh well. So I think the roads have been plowed. I think the roads are fine. It's just people, can they get out of their driveway? Like when we were shoveling, there's people driving up and down the road. I was gonna like make a fort and a snowman, and again, no. It's just go outside for like 10 minutes and 7 degrees and you're like, forget it. And I think tonight it's supposed to get to like -2. I don't know. Robert, have you ever lived in negative temperatures? It's supposed to be -2 tonight.
Yeah, I was in, I think it was the coldest day in St. Louis. I think it was like 25 below.
Oh my God.
Me and my brother worked in that weather. We were outside in the weather.
Wow. Wow.
Driving a van around with very little heat, and the windows were down the whole time. He had to throw newspapers.
Yeah, he did a newspaper route
So, yeah.
with his brother, and it was like a big deal newspaper route. Like, what, 200 people or?
It took 6 hours. 6 hours to complete it.
Wow.
Actually 6 and 8 hours to complete it. So yeah, it was pretty big. A lot of newspapers. Not fun.
What is it? Oh, they're coming here.
The plowman's coming.
All right, well, we'll get out of his way. I just wanted to, that's the little bobcat in yesterday's video that I was complaining about the noise because of the generator. This snow pile is new. I just wanted to check out the geese. I know, he's gonna come right where I wanted to record. That's fine. Look how pretty that is. I'm gonna back off.
Right exactly where we're at. Thanks. Exactly the spot.
Oops.
The spot.
That is our luck. That's our luck.
Exact spot. Thank you very much.
That's funny. So yeah, they're not using a regular snowplow. They're using a Bobcat forklift.
That's the story of my life. Always in the spot where they need to be.
He's probably like, what are those fools doing? Good question. What are we doing? I don't see any like footprints yet, which last year it didn't get that cold and that you could see footprints on the ice. It was like, oh, don't do that. It's not. Wait.
You're having a good job.
I think they're cussing us out.
Oh, we know what you do for us. That's why we pay for it. Whatever. Look like they're doing this out of the goodness of their heart. Some people.
I just talked to the plowman. They were not cussing us out. They were cussing other people out. I got irritated with them. Very nice man. But I can understand why it would get so frustrated when you park on the street and then your car gets blocked in and you get mad at the plowman. Then don't park on the street. It's very simple. Yeah, so they do get cussed out a lot. I remember last year on the Facebook group, everyone was mad at him. And I'm like, you ain't getting your lazy butt out to do anything.
I'm happy to see them. I am. I keep, whatever they got to do. I don't care if they go by the house 50 times.
Yeah.
I don't know what people are looking for. We don't live in the middle of the woods.
Yeah. So that's it. We're not doing a walk around because it's too cold. I just wanted a little footage to show you day 2. So we're not getting any more snow, but we're also not getting any warm weather. So that means the snow will stick around. So we'll probably get our snowshoes out tomorrow afternoon and do another video. I know we're at least going to go to the post office sometime in the afternoon. Here's a car. Not turning good. Because we're going to walk on the road. Alright, we're mostly back to our house. Our driveway is not perfect because we ran out of pet-friendly ice. Salt. I always say ice. Pet-friendly salt. So it's not perfect as other people's, but good enough just so we can get out, put the trash out.
I need a shovel around the track around that.
Yeah. And then my Christmas lights that we turned into Valentine lights. Whew. Is it focusing or is it? Put my glasses back on so they're. Yep, Valentine's heart. So that cat used to have reindeer antlers on. So I just took the antlers off and it's a reindeer. So anyway, thanks for watching. We got the snow I wanted. I just want it to be like 10 degrees warmer so I can walk out without feeling like I'm gonna get frostbite. Oh my God, I don't know if you can see it. I can see that guy's TV perfectly. What? Oh my God. My neighbor's home. His shades are open. That's his master bedroom. That's interesting. This is our master bedroom. I thought we were odd for having the master bedroom on the ground floor. But he has his on the ground floor too. Interesting. I'm being a nosy neighbor. Anyway, thanks for watching.